So, hello to all. I'm Ratira Sugi, your Python trainer, and here I'm going to show you the rock, paper, scissors game. First of all, as usual, I want to show you the output of this. That output should be something like this. This is the window of this rock, paper, scissors. If you want, with the help of this, you can increase it. Rock, paper, scissors, three buttons are here with reset button. And this is my target cursor. So if I will keep my target cursor here, it will look like this. If I will keep it here, it will become a mouse. Suppose I choose rock, mesh draw. If I choose scissor, again mesh draw. Paper, again mesh draw. Let me try one more time. So it's a random position now. I win. Okay, because I have set down here random. This is the AI versus computer. First, I will choose, second AI will choose. So now let's start the coding of this. And in this coding, as I told you that this is the random position. So for this, we will use here from tkinter import start. From tkinter import start, as I defined already, that we just want to create the window. But here, one more new thing we are using here, that is known as from tkinter import ttk. The ttk means if you want to create two windows in one, then you can use this. As you can see, this is the window one, and the second line is coming inside of this. This is the second window. So I want to create two windows inside the first one, or I want to create one window inside the first one, then we will use from tkinter import ttk. Now import random, because this is the game user versus AI. So that's why we are using here import random command. After using here import random command, we will create bin tk as the variable name, geometry, size of the window, title of the window, and this is a game. So I give here few options to the computer, that 0, rock, 1, paper, 2, scissor. Along with all these things, the window will be created, and I just want to mention the button also. So I choose here one function button disable. After using here one function disable, we will choose here b1.config state disable. The reason of this config that it will configure with your app. State disable means in the starting button will be disabled. It will not enable automatically till then we press. So we have three buttons: rock, paper, scissor. So we just make here B1, B2, B3, and all the buttons are disabled. Till here it's clear or no? Nandan, I hope till, yeah. Okay, fine. So I hope till here it's clear for you. So firstly do till here. After this, I will tell you more. So now you can just start. Okay, now in the next command, we are going to create three functions, as we have three commands: rock, paper, and scissor. So the first command is the rock. So we just mentioned here is rock. Again, I want to give a reminder. This is just a function name. But if you are going to create any app, then try to mention the proper function name. That will look nice. That's why I type here is rock. Value computer options. Computer options that we have defined already. That is 0 rock, 1 paper, and 2 scissor. So what I want is string. Why we choose a string? Because we mention here in commas, and whatever we mention here in commas, that is the part of the string. Now we will use a random. As we call her import random, so if we will call her import random, then with the help of random command, AI can choose a number between 1 to million. But here I want to give the instruction. I want to set the limit for this. So that's why we choose here 0, 1, and 2. So we just mention here random. Random command is helpful for set the limit. So we just mention random.random 0, 2. So now AI will choose between rock, paper, and flip. Now, after this is apply the condition. If value is equal to rock, match result, match draw. And if value is equal to scissor, match result, computer win. Else, match result, you win. After defining all the condition with if command, we will call the label configuration text match result. Whatever the result will be there, it will show that. L1 text is equal to rock, L3 text is equal to value. I haven't used here L2 because I just want to give the space from here to here. In place of L3, you can type L4 or you can type L2 also. This is your choice. Button disable means as I will play one time, then my button will be disabled. As you can see here, if I will play here one time, now my button is disabled. I'm not able to press it again. Till then, I press reset. So this is button disable. After playing first chance, you can disable the button. The coding which you have done here, same coding you will do copy and paste in the paper and in the scissor. The minor change is this: if you know how to play rock, paper, scissor, then Just change. In place of rock, you choose your is paper, maestro, scissor, you win, else computer. Okay, same thing you will do with scissor. Means everything is do copy and paste, but you have to change the condition. If you know how to play rock, paper, scissor, then you can change the condition very easily. I hope till here it's clear. Now let's start.